Hi, this is the video on how to take the Change in Communication Entitlement Generation Essay Pretest. So I am just going to show you real quick. There's only 5 questions on this. And after you've read all the instructions and you believe you understand all the instructions, you are to take this quiz. But let me just say, you have to receive 100% on this. In other words, you have to get 5 questions out of 5 correct before you can move on to the actual essay. Okay, so you'll click on the pretest in your LMS, and it just tells you that there's a 5 question. And the reason I'm giving, it gives an explanation of why I'm giving this pretest. In the past, about 75% of the students fail this assignment the first time they take it, the essay assignment, not the pretest, because they have not read the instructions correctly. So I have created this pretest. Should take you about 2 minutes to take, maybe 5 minutes to take, 15 minutes total from reading all the instructions and then taking this quiz. And what you'll do is you will click, there'll be a button that says Start Quiz. Okay, I don't have that because I don't have a student view, but once you click Start Quiz, you'll get your 5 questions and you will answer the 5 questions, and they're just loading, taking a couple minutes to load, and you'll answer these 5 questions. They're either multiple choice, true or false, or in this particular one, it just asks you which statement is correct. You'll take that and you'll hit the Submit Quiz. If you got 5 out of 5, you may move on. If you did not, you need to retake this quiz. So good luck and read those instructions carefully. Bye-bye.